Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Zendesk plus Slack automation with AI summaries, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel located on the left sidebar. Select the integrations option from the menu. Find and click on the Slack integration. Ensure that the integration is properly installed and connected. Open your Slack workspace in a new tab. Head to the channel where you want to receive notifications from Zendesk. Create a new message to test the integration. Type a sample query that relates to your Zendesk tickets. Transition back to your Zendesk account. Go to the ticket section and select a ticket you want to automate. In the ticket view, open the automation settings. Add a new automation rule geared towards Slack notifications. Set specific criteria for when this automation should trigger. Specify the message format that should be sent to the Slack channel. Activate the automation rule and save your changes. Now, switch your focus to AI summaries. Integrate your preferred AI summarization tool with Zendesk. Follow the integration instructions provided by the AI tool. Test the AI summarization feature with a sample ticket. Review the AI-generated summary for accuracy. Go back to your Slack channel. Send a message that queries recent automated updates from Zendesk. Observe if the AI summaries appear in your Slack channel. Adjust settings as necessary to optimize the flow of information. Finally, confirm that your automation runs smoothly over the next few days. Make any adjustments as required to enhance efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.